Hello, Jenny Hall here for Trinity Stamps with another product close-up look for you. This is From Our Gnome to Yours, Stamps and Coordinating Dies. Here's another addition to our gnome family. This cute little girl is holding a beautiful poinsettia that is timelessly perfect for winter card making. From Our Gnome to Yours is a 3x4 stamp set featuring 5 stamps. This coordinating die set perfectly cuts the image and 4 sentiments from the From Your Gnome to Our stamps. Here's some inspiration from our design team. As you can see, there are many different looks that can be achieved by placing it in a different setting. We have several new gnome sets, and here are a few of them featured on one card. Be sure to check out From Our Gnome to Yours in the Trinity store.